guys, so we are about to leave our little abode for a quick second because we're going over to Boston Jerk. Most of you guys who have grown up in Jamaica or are intending to come to Jamaica, you might have heard about Boston Jerk. It usually was very popular. I don't know about today. I really don't know about today if it's like the best jerk that there is, but usually it was. It's pretty much walking distance from here, so we're gonna take a quick walk and get over there. And oh man, I can see the smoke. Yeah, we're gonna be lit. Funny enough, we're kind of matching today in all regards. Like he changed. She's in red.
He saw me red and he changed. Okay, he just had to.
My red Crocs.
He just had to.
Red head. Yeah, so we're just going through. Let me show you. We good.
My chicken and your pork with the fish when you come there. Roast bread with seafood in the soup.
Well, I'll go and walk a little bit, so I'll come back. You paint it. Is this? Which part in called Boston Jerk? What is a Boston Jerk? There, man. Everything up. You remember him? You remember we saw him at the river?
Yeah, man.
Remember?
You remember me? For real? Look good.
Let me see if you remember exactly which part.
Yeah, remember you.
Where? From which part?
Let me see, me think again. I'll probably meet again. I don't nigga. No road. I somewhere though, but remember
you have a white woman?
Yeah, exactly.
Which part?
That is not him. That is
I hear
him see a man. Remember you, I him see a man.
Which river was it?
I believe race part. No, not race part.
Nah, it ain't here.
It's not him. The guy was taller.
No man, I'm me man.
Him look like somebody may know, but I don't know exactly.
Yeah, hold on, let me see.
It's not him.
I
never forget.
Let me think again.
Alright, so Judah jumped out of the conversation because she needed a sample of pork. Wait.
Oh, don't tell you how I know.
Wait.
Up Papi in the river.
And that's how I see a man. I'm gonna tell you. See, I see a man. I see a man. And Judah tell me about how they say man. No, say him. With the white woman. Down at the river, me and him that talk. And he tell me say Poland he come from. Can I ask him which part he come from?
Yeah, man.
How is it?
I go this side, man. Up on the river.
Yes, see him, man. See him, man.
It's a work with man.
It's a work
I like
with?
his pepper sauce.
Sauce, alright. So guys, you realize when we travel, because we saw this guy up by the river last time.
I remember.
He don't remember, but I remember. Yeah, but you were like, it's not him, it's not.
Yeah.
I have you on video, girl. I have you on video saying it. I don't. No.
Slippers.
Man, no what? Man, no wear boots go river.
Slippers, me need to see how you man.
Alright.
I was down by rock and I eat food on the down the river and I'm coming down see.
Yeah. And when you come back, you see him time.
Yeah.
You feeling it?
Yeah.
We'll support you. Get some. You can get like a small serving here. Go try somewhere else. But we just sampled the man's pork.
He offered.
So what kind of lobster do you grill?
I'm not grilling now.
Grill it.
Cook water.
Alright, how much you eat?
Huh?
How much you eat lobster now?
No, but I give you no tourist price, you know.
Yeah,
You $5.
5,000?
Do you just want one like I want to?
You want
I
one?
won't pick on
Yeah, give me just one. Just give us one. How are you doing it?
the butter, garlic and butter.
Garlic and butter. Alright, cool. Yeah, so because what we're trying to do, we're trying to sample the other people and what they got. So yeah. So Honestly, guys, I did not know like Boston Jerk was a whole.
I thought it was like an actual.
I thought it was like one set place. Because like a few years ago, I had my uncle who took us to this this jerk center, and this doesn't look like it. But on the map, this is what it says is Boston Jerk, so we're gonna work with it for now. Oh, but I'm gonna support him with his smoothie thing. You know, that's what it is, guys. I always ask you guys for your support, so when there's time for me to support others, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, she got school.
Oh.
Yeah. So you have over here, so no.
I have peanut and what? I have pina colada.
Pina colada.
Fruit smoothie. I have pine, I have papaya and banana.
What's that pipe already? No.
Yeah.
All right. How much for the pina colada thing?
6 bills for that one.
6 bills.
Yeah.
Yeah, them bad.
But we're gonna try to decide and come back.
Chicken sausage ready.
All right. So give me a pan and ginger and a pina colada. Yeah. We good. Yeah.
So you want to look at top around the night?
Right now, I'm not trouble nobody. I bump this on this, you know, so I'm not trouble nobody though.
Him?
Me?
You?
Yeah, man. Chicken sausage ready. Come get that salmon. We don't cook before, but we're not doing this.
Yo, they want me to done the little money what me even have.
Hot already.
Alright. So so what we were saying is that the pork didn't feel like it was off the grill, like hot off the grill, so that's what she want. But she's gonna sample the sausage thing. We are come back, we do this, man. Go and do your do. Yeah, he probably thinks like I'm leaving. Guys, I'm not that kind of person. If I tell you that I want something, like
These people look like
it's a done deal. This is where we wanna we're soon forward, man. We're soon forward, man.
I know this though.
Alright, so we getting
Just so?
a sample of the chicken sausage.
Like this.
Bumpy, see sign there. Take that sign up in here.
Bumpy's chicken sausage, alright. Hot off the press.
Alright. Lay this first.
Wait, but
Too hot?
it's hot.
No, why me can't get no wet.
Oh, that's the sausage.
1 for 7 bills.
Alright, see?
May I tell you, me do it and put it through. Alright, like that cool, you know. It's a double wrap, they have to pay 14 for 2.
Okay.
See them there? That's a 2.
Pretty good. You like it?
No touch food with me and you want to see for me type of serving.
Alright,
put him up on the internet.
Bumpy's son.
Watch him type of serving.
They can leave it on the grill?
Yeah, me line you up for you, man.
Just leave it on the grill till ready.
Yeah.
Alright, see for me type of serving.
Respect.
Alright, what me I go do now?
We are go come back for one, no worry yourself.
Left me in fire that thing will dry out.
Yeah, leave it on the first.
Right there, sir. See?
Bumpy
Put 2 of them in there. I want.
Just one.
Make it
We have to support everybody out
I
there.
appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Alright. Yeah, man. Remember, you know, chicken. We're gonna order the pork and chicken over here. But then we just get him from there and then the lobster from down there.
Alright.
Alright, so
Thank you. Have a good day.
we pretty much got to the kind of pork place that I remember, where it's on the side of the road with the sweet wood being cooked on, and the meat is somewhere beneath that. That's what I'm used to, what I remember. And it's just right off the street side in Portland. You feel me? So Judah wants the pork and chicken hot, so we're gonna be ordering from one of these guys. I don't know who. Do it thing, right? Was that sample as that?
Yeah, man. Roast breadfruit and sweet potato festival.
Alright, so go on.
Roast breadfruit.
Taste this. In the pot. Eat the popcorn?
Yes.
She was about to frown.
It's good today.
He has a vibe though with his, but it's just not.
Alright, so pretty much we're at another spot right now trying to sample something else. Now, to be quite honest, like when you come here you gotta be prepared to like shop around because you want to get the best one. So what I'm trying to do is like support as many people as I can. And to be quite honest, they were very polite, meaning, you know, some places you try the pork and they're like, yo, you have to buy it now. They were like, they understood, like, you know, it's a trial thing. And we trying to get the best one. So Judah wants to order chicken from them and then possibly pork from them over here.
Better than her.
If it's better, we don't know. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. And
charge you gonna charge you, man. Yeah, I'm gone, man. That can't, you know.
try this myself. This one got a lot more flavor. Pork here, chicken there. Okay. So we ordered pork here, chicken over there. So I was telling you guys about what didn't put the pork on? The type of wood this one. The special type of wood?
Sweet wood.
Sweet wood, yeah. Exactly as I thought, guys. Okay, cool. This is my drink, your drink. How much I owe you? $1,200? $1,200. All right.
How much you want them?
Cool. So we just got, I got my pina colada. Nicely garnished with a little pineapple on top. Hers too. I'm gonna try and let you guys know what I think.
No.
Nice. This is nice. I like this. We'll be back.
No.
This is nice. It's not too much alcohol in there. It's just right. It's refreshing.
Yeah, William liquor, guys.
Guys, she's trying to get me drunk so she can rape me, but I'm not on that stuff. I'm not on that tip. But yeah, I'm telling you, you look at the guy's stall and you might think,
Ready?
yeah, it's good. It's pretty good. Alright, let's clear this guy's devil. Pretty good. Alright, so we just sipping away and just chilling and waiting. Yeah, man, I know, man. So you see real small though. Just one short conversation. I tell you guys, like, you gotta meet people, man. One conversation with that man, yeah. And we like remember each other how much months ago. Yeah. So your place is also go and do that thing. You can give one sample like honey banana where you see up there, so. If you guys know these bananas, they cut no honey banana.
You what?
Yeah, man, them sweet, man. Them banana are different. Them liquor, but they're like super sweet.
Extra sweet.
Extra sweet.
No joke. Them they use me call vinegar and anything there.
Yep.
Them sweet. Miss.
Better. Yep.
Extra sweet.
Extra sweet. Yeah, try to eat it with style. How's your drink? Let me take some. Wow.
And the ginger is like just right. I was afraid.
You used to work at bartender place or something? Your teacher said? Your teacher said?
2 years me have this and teach myself to do everything.
A good one, trust me. Trust me. What you call him, a creeper. You drink and say, nice, it's a drink good. Mojito are my favorite kind of drink.
Yeah.
I've been in what?
When we make that with lime and mint and...
Problem. I say you get your girl them out there. You don't know what you do. I know so that you do what you want. A little bit.
Thank you.
Alright, so here we got some lobster. What you want to do? You want to eat? You want to take this and go down by
I don't do like everything one time.
everything one time?
Yeah.
Alright, you handle that. So here we got the lobster. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna settle this bill and then Judah will take that and stuff. Thank you, bro. Alright, so we'll come back at that stop right here, so isn't it? We got the lobster here, we got Judah here, and we are going to deal with the pork right now. What do you think about the lobster? Huh? Okay, one thing I'll give it, it's fresh. It feels like, you know, something that's fresh, but the flavor.
Yeah.
What about the flavor? The one at Hellshire for me is better. Yeah. The Hellshire one is better, but this is
But it's soft though. Like
it's soft, yeah. It's not overcooked. It's not so too firm.
And I appreciate that.
Yeah, it's good. How much pork will I get?
I don't know. I like his pork, and I think the pepper sauce can make it like twice as good, to be honest.
So I get like half pound.
Yeah, because you know I'm not really chicken pussy.
All right, can we get like half pound of the pork? Yeah, half pound, please. Can I see you doing that? Alright. That's half pound? Eh? Oh. Let's do that. Look at that. Yep. Real good, right? Lead up with it proper. Boom. Boom. See that? Alright, so we'll come back for the sausage as we didn't to talk about, you see me? Real street side food. Real way.
Yeah, Boston, right at Bumpy's.
Boston, right at Bumpy's.
Bumpy's chicken sausage. Highland wine.
Alright. You skill low, I think you're gonna make piece drop.
No, well, I say my house is my type of service. Are you unique style me giving you that?
Alright. Let's see you put no sauce on the Bumpy's. Where is sauce?
That is just ready for you. So
Okay.
no sauce.
No sauce on it.
Only some people want extra pepper.
Season for everything. Alright.
Ready for you.
Yeah,
Come
Bumpy's.
around here, so.
See it, man. Bumpy's chicken sausage.
Alright.
Alright, so here's our little spread. We got our chicken sausage, we got our jerk pork, we got the lobster over there, we got a juice, we got the hot sauce, and a festival. I'm definitely gonna need more festival than this, but yeah, be good. How is it, festival? Is good? You alright? Cool. I can tell you guys this, every time I eat, especially these good food, like I have to tell God thanks, man, like seriously, because I think Judah once said, or her dad once said to me, like, you know, whenever he eats, he wants to keep telling himself to give thanks for the food. He wants to speak to me like butter. His knee needs to be like butter, meaning like you're always on your knees giving thanks for eating. And it's a blessing to be able to come all the way out here to Portland and just to try different, you know, different cuisine. How was the lobster with the sauce? Splug? Yeah, it's a blessing, man. Like you have to always be grateful for everything, like every single thing. The people we meet,
out here, how we socialize with other people, trust me, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Alright guys, let's talk about chicken. You guys know I always say chicken is chicken, but in this case it's sausage. It's not. Many chefs will tell you like to get the breast or the meat of a chicken like to be very tender. It's difficult. But like this meat here, fam, I'm gonna try to show you how soft it is. Look at that. I'm using a plastic fork. You know that doesn't have much resistance. Look at that. It's so tender. It's tender. It's not overly seasoned. Like, yo, I'm enjoying. Can I put this in your mouth? That's in the chicken. I want your review on it. My battery is dying on this, but whatever. It's really good, right? I would really like to try, like if he had like a pork sausage. I'd definitely try that for sure. All right, so let's take a quick, like more detailed review on the pork with the sauce. Nice and soft. I think out of all the others, this one has more seasoning in it, for sure. That was good.
John Natural represents the big network of juices.
Alright.
Examples are really for free. You understand? The real juice box, 100% natural extracted juices from the boss.
Okay.
And the examples are from FREE. And I'm located in Boston. My factory is in Black.
Okay.
That's salsa.
Is this sauce up? Okay. Try that.
Yes, the juice box. This presidential step now is natural juices. I was in the network last.
Wow. Wanna try?
Just try.
Wow. Sauce up.
Throw that in that. Throw that in that and mix it. Do mix it. Start with zoom plum, cherry. Sauce, that's a big one.
Okay.
Zoom plum straight.
Zoom plum straight. How much do you normally sell a bottle of this for?
Normally sell for $500.
500.
I can give you a discount of 4 and sell it for 4. But this is the spirulina with pop chocolate, calamari and spinach.
Okay.
This is an extremely big one. I sell it for $800.
Okay.
These are sold for $500.
You want any of these, babe? No?
Yes, the juice box. Well, I just do have it more digest. You're thinking and say I support me.
Yeah, you're the juice person. I'm the
You can just do it as a takeaway and enjoy it.
You're the juice, aka money person.
You're good job for the camera. You know it like that.
I can't quite remember which one
This
I like.
is the soursop. This is the starfruit, June plum, cherry. And this is a big one there, and soursop inside of this too. And this is a fruit punch, star fruit punch. And this is a
Soursop one.
right? Soursop.
What's your best price on this one?
$400.
$400.
Okay.
So we had that part where to get to that meat. Yeah, so you guys can see the bottle, so you know I did support that guy. I got it down to $300 because really I wasn't 100% interested in it, but just to show some support, I got me this. Alright, so that's pretty much the end of our Boston jerk experience. I enjoyed the experience, it was pretty good. A few pointers, whenever you come here, they will offer you a sample. What I thought would have been different, I thought that they would be a little bit more aggressive in terms of the sample, but you can taste it, and if you don't like it, you just move on, you feel me? But I supported as many people as I could, and yeah, it was good. Like I met a few cool people and they were really nice, so yeah. What was my favorite thing from what I ate today? The chicken sausage. That for me was my favorite because it was different, meaning
Something new?
huh?
Something new?
I mean, I've had chicken sausage before, but it, you know, as I said, chicken is chicken, and he did chicken really good. You feel me? The lobster was good in terms of its freshness, but I love lobster curried and, you know, with all that flavor. Look at this cat. Yeah.
Cee Camera shy.
And the pork was pretty good.
Oh, now you are wrong.
And what else did we have? That was it. Yeah, that was pretty much it. And the festival. So you can see how close we are to where we're from, or where we're going to. Like literally it's a 1-minute walk to get to Grey Hut. It's right beyond there. Alright, so we are back at our beautiful home, and we're gonna go probably sit down by the hammock for a bit and chill, but I'm gonna leave you here. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, if I do one more finger the ball is gonna fall, and adaptation. And remember, keep the link.